BOJ to stay dovish outlier. Keep rates low as its yen catch-22 situation deepens. Tokyo. The Bank of Japan is in all likelihood to keep hobby quotes ultralow on Friday, unfazed by way of a continuing fall inside the yen that is boosting import costs and indicates little sign of abating while different crucial banks around the sector withdraw economic stimulus. The yen's weak spot, once welcomed for the increase it offers to the export-reliant economy, has become a source of situation for Japanese policymakers because it inflates already rising import expenses and inflicts pain on families. The deepening quandary for the important bank was obvious, remaining weak whilst BOJ Governor Haruhiko Kuroda confronted a typhoon of complaint on social media for announcing that households had been becoming greater accepting of higher charges. He was compelled to retract that comment, and backtracked on Monday from his long-held view that a vulnerable yen changed into correct for the economic system. Despite grumbling over the yen's weakness, however, the BOJ is likely to hold ultra-low hobby prices on the view that trekking rates now might do greater damage than good via cooling a fragile financial system, stated three sources familiar with the significant financial institution's thinking. The BOJ does no longer target exchange prices in guiding monetary policy, one of the resources stated. What's essential now could be to support the economy with ultraloose policy, the supply said. That view become echoed with the aid of the alternative sources. At a two-day assembly that ends on Friday, the BOJ is expected to maintain unchanged both its 0.1% short-term fee goal and its 0% cap for 10-year authorities' bond yields. The BOJ is caught in a fresh conundrum. While core patron inflation exceeded its 2% target in April for the primary time in 7 years, the rise is pushed in general through gas and food prices. Wary that such cost-push inflation will harm consumption, the BOJ has again and again confused its resolve to keep economic policy ultraloose till wage boom intensifies. But the BOJ's dovish stance has driven down the yen, which weakened to 135.22 in line with dollar on Monday, the lowest on account that 1998. That is piling ache onto families by pushing up their cost of living. While the BOJ ought to enhance fees as a closing resort if the yen spirals into freefall, analysts doubt whether or not one of these paths could reverse a large, strong dollar fashion driven by using the U.S. Federal Reserve's competitive fee hike plans. It's clean the BOJ has no intention of tweaking ultraloose monetary coverage anytime quickly, said Naomi Muguruza, senior marketplace economist at Mitsubishi UFJ NYSE, MUFG, Morgan Stanley NYSE, MS Securities. But the surroundings surrounding the BOJ is converting swiftly, she stated. If the yen slides underneath 140 or 145 to the greenback, the BOJ may be forced to raise its yield goal.